So by now, you know that Facebook provide earning money from your videos using ad breaks, and it can help you maximize your earning by automatically place these ad breaks on your video content. But are you eligible to earn money from Facebook videos? What are the eligibility criteria? Who can sign up for Facebook videos? Creator must meet this criteria to be eligible for ad breaks. It's called monetization eligibility standards. It's important to be familiar with these standards not only to be eligible for ad breaks, but to stay eligible. First, you need to have at least 10,000 followers on your page. Videos must be published from a page, not a profile, that has at least 10,000 followers. So it means that you need to have a page with at least 10,000 people who liked your page. They are called followers for a reason, because they followed your page as they liked it. You might have a page with 10,000 likes, but 8,000 followers. Not everyone who likes a page follow it. So this is a very easy thing. You can either create a page from scratch and start posting content until you reach 10,000 followers, or you can buy a page from someone who has already obtained a 10k follower badge, or you can drop us a message and we can help you get a page with that number of followers. Next, you need to have at least 1 minute views for 3-minute videos. So this page that you have, that it have 10,000 followers, must have a 3-minute videos, and it must have 1 minute view for that 3-minute video. This is from Facebook just to make sure that you are posting content that is attractive, and this metric helps determine how successful you will be able to monetize with ad breaks. In the last 60 days, you need to have had 30,000 1-minute view on videos that are at least 3 minutes long. This might seem hard to you, but as you can see in Facebook video feed, there is a lot of videos that are more than 10 minutes long and have more than 1 million views. You just need to choose a viral video and post it to your page, and the views will come along. We will guide you with this, and if you don't have this option on your page, we can make it happen for you. Just drop us a message, and we will also explain how to do it in this video in the coming sections. Country and language availability. Ad breaks as a program is continuing to expand. You can review a list of supported countries in this link. We will post the course material, but let me show you the list of countries that are supported so that you can see if your country is one of them. As you can see, these are the languages that are available and the countries. As you can see, Argentina, Australia. You can find your country here. If you can find your country here, it means that you are eligible for monetizing Facebook videos. If you can find your country here, it means that you are eligible for monetizing Facebook videos. And if you didn't find it, you can drop us a message and we can help you join the program. Now, if you want to see whether you qualify for ad breaks or not, all what you need to do is clicking on this link or writing facebook.com/business/join ad breaks. Now, as you can see, this is one of my Facebook accounts. This is Facebook for creators. It tells us that we can earn money with our videos on Facebook. And here we can see that all of our pages, and it will tell us if we have a page that is eligible for monetization or not. Now, this is one of the pages that has 10,000 followers, but only 1% of 1 minute views for 3-minute videos. And as you can see, there is a number of reasons why this page is not eligible. I have other pages on other Facebook accounts that are eligible. I will show you these pages in the coming lessons. But as you can see, my country is supported. That's why there's a check on the country availability. This one can be solved easily by uploading one viral video to my Facebook page, this page, and get a 1 minute view for 3-minute videos. Now, as you can see, this is one of the pages that has more than 10,000 followers and 1 minute view for 3 minutes video, and it's eligible for monetization. Now that's it. These are the eligibility criteria that you need to follow so that you can use Facebook video to make money online. If you are not eligible, you can drop us a message, tell us what's your situation, show us a screenshot for your page, why you are not eligible. Is it a country restriction? Is it not having 10,000 followers? Or is it the video problem? We can help you solve any of these issues. Thanks for watching this lesson. Happy learning. This is Moneymakers Academy.